Most traders take trades out of boredom or impatience, because they believe progress comes from constant action, from always doing, always trading, always being in the market. But mastery isn't about constant action. It is about balance. Overfilling the cup is not better than stopping. Inhaling is not better than exhaling. Doing is not always better than not doing. And in music, notes only have meaning because of the pauses. The silence is part of the song. Just like restraint is part of trading. Knowing when to trade is just as important as knowing when not to trade. Most traders take trades simply because the market is open and they have the time. But you having time is not a reason to act. Action is justified by one question alone. Is the market presenting your edge in ideal conditions right now? It is a decision to act, but it is also a decision not to act. And as a trader, 90% of your decisions will be to do nothing. Because trading is mostly a waiting game. You wait for the conditions to get ideal. Then, when your edge presents itself, you strike clean. But whenever your edge isn't present, you do nothing. Whenever conditions aren't ideal, you do nothing. Whenever the market doesn't offer the risk-reward you are looking for, you do nothing. You must get comfortable with the fact that you are going to miss the vast majority of moves. Just because price is ticking doesn't mean that you need to be involved. Because you don't need a lot of good trades, as long as your edge doesn't have to pay for a dozen stupid ones. The ones that could have been avoided if you simply set out the low probability conditions. Your edge is just math. It's a set of rules with positive expectancy. But probabilities rise and fall with conditions. Strike only when the edge and ideal conditions meet. That is your signal. Everything else is noise. Remember, even if a forced trade wins, it is still poison. Because it teaches you that breaking discipline pays. And that belief is the seed of every blow-up.